جميعا، أهلا وسهلا بكم. اليوم الفيديو سوف يكون عبارة عن كيف يمكنكم أن تقضوا وقتكم بالحجر المنزلي بأجمل أفكار. Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you the most beautiful ideas that you can do during quarantine. First, you can talk with your friends. Hi Hamza, كيفي. Hi. You can help your mom. You can also open a channel and film some videos. So now I'm gonna film my video. Hi guys! You can also draw. While quarantine, I have been drawing amazing pictures. Let me show you some of them. I have been drawing a pancake, an ice cream, a lollipop, and more also. While quarantine, if you have any pets, you can play with them. So here I am, a cat. Actually, I want to go. So when he is like really fun, I play with him. You can also read. Reader today, leader tomorrow. I will read this Arabic book about space. I'm really excited to read it. Now my friends, give me your ideas about spending time in quarantine. Ghazal Hussam Al-Ashi, Future International Schools.